Right, welcome back to the channel, guys. Wagwan Tours. We're here in Faliraki with a night out. And guess what? We've unlocked some new characters.
Oh, so it's all like melted together.
So we've got Sam and Jess.
Hi guys.
Brand new characters unlocked for the vlog. So we're going to George's. We're going to try the drink as much as you want for €20. We just had a fat meal at Village. 4 of us, four meals. We had 4 meals and Mythos drinks. We had like 4 beers, 4 meals. They had an extra halloumi. It was like 36 euros. Really cheap, really cheap. So that's all good. But yeah, this is Faliraki at night. It's coming up for 11:30 at the moment.
Hey, Jackson.
Everyone's out having fun. And yeah, like I said, we're going up to George's and we're going to try all you can drink for €20. €20 for 2 hours as well. I think I'm going to drink them out of alcohol. But like I said, we're with Sam and Jess. And we're going to corrupt them. Corruption. And like I said, I will try the strip bars for you guys one day. But Sabrina's on my tail, so won't be tonight. Again, look, this one you got Tiger. But again, like I said, can't try it. Not tonight. Maybe another day. So you get 2 long drinks or 2 beers for free. Okay. So yeah, let's skip this and then join us at the bar. Right, so we've got old Bedrock there. We're going to George's. George's have got the deals. So let's see what this is all about, eh? I've been to somewhere, I went to Marbella and they had the same sort of deal. I think it was 25 for 1 hour. So 2 hours for 20. Let's go and see, eh? We've got the tunes on heavily, so we're going to have a bit of problem with the old music, copyright, but I will talk as much as I can for you guys. Make sure that everyone can hear what I'm saying. And yeah, let's get in there and see what's going on.
Service as quickly as you can.
Alright, so we got our drink, we got our cups. You gotta get your card, we got your timestamp. Then we're gonna try, like I said, in 2 hours to drink. Rum and Coke? Coke. Yeah, rum and Coke. So yeah, I'm gonna have rum and Coke the first one.
most surface as quickly as you can. What happened to me tonight? The gods are all over some mysterious. Turn to the calm of surface as quickly as you can. What happened to me tonight? The gods are all over some mysterious.
Unauthorized user. Access
Hey, this is Jess from Greece.
We are in George's Bar. You can get
€20 for unlimited drinks in George's Bar in Faliraki Rhodes.
We're with the best Wagwan tours. Good people. Very, very good, nice people.